What's up, YouTube? We're going fishing today. Today is such a great day to go fishing. So this is what we're working with. This is the Hudson River, and pretty much it's frozen over, but you know, we're already here. I'm gonna make it happen. So we're gonna do a few casts and see if we can even fish. Right now it's 28 degrees. The sun's gonna set in like 30 minutes. For the bait, so we're going to be using shrimp as bait today. I got like 5 pieces in here, and for my hook, I got a hook that is usually used for blackfish. So the way how this hook works is that once you put the bait on it, it will just sink to the floor like this. That way the bait could be hanging off the floor. So we're gonna cut up some shrimp. Cut off the tail. Yeah. Alright guys, so I had to come online because I didn't know the ice was gonna be dragging my bait like that. But yeah, happy Monday. Have a great rest of your week, and this is it for the fishing video. See you next week. Peace.